Okay, I'm just gonna cook dinner. Alexa, generate or make me a dinner recipe for a family of 7. Here's a dinner recipe for a family of 7. Okay. Ingredients. Steak. Do we have that? Right, broccoli. Guess I'll defrost the steak. Carrots. And cauliflower. Oh, and green onion. Ooh, yes, I love this show. Pretend like it thunders and there's rain. I would make the little rain machine, but I couldn't find it like anywhere, so yeah, just pretend like there's rain. Wait, what's happening? Never mind. Alright, it's on. Alright, I'm gonna get her phone. Or, never mind. Right, I'm gonna get my phone while it defrosts. Make sure the sink doesn't overflow like it did in the other house. Okay. Sheesh. I don't know if that picked up on the mic or not, but there's a severe thunderstorm going on right now. I'm gonna see if we have any more alerts. No, but we are in a severe thunderstorm warning. Well, now it's about to expire. Alright. Where the frick is my phone? Is it in here? It's probably in here. Yep, it's in here. Right. Alright. Just gonna have that over there. Alright. Now I need to get out a pan. Just gonna get this one. Right, and we're gonna start cooking the steak. And then we're gonna make a mixture of the vegetables. Right, now we're gonna fry those all with the steak. Why is my phone vibrating? Severe thunderstorm warning. Tornado warning? Hun. Yeah? Put it on the news. Okay. Breaking news. as y'all might have heard on your phones, that we are in a severe thunderstorm is expected to hit Toca, Lettuce, and and Bread counties. If burr, 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 the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Toca, Lettuce, and Bread County, and and then a flood warning for Toca and Bread counties, and and a tornado warning for Toca County. If you're in the affected areas, please seek shelter immediately. Take cover in a basement. Do not drive in flooded roadways. Repeat. Severe thunderstorm warning, flood warning, and tornado warning for Toca, Bread, and Lettuce County. Alright, we just got interrupted by it airing again on TV, but as y'all may have heard, that is a severe thunderstorm warning, flood warning, and and tornado warning. We are gonna show you the maps on here to show how much how likely it is for each area to get flood. Oh wow, we're expected to get really deep flooding. Yeah. I'm gonna go put sandbags. Alright, we are turning this off. And let's go get the kids. We need to go to the basement. Kids. Yes? Yeah? We all need to go down to the basement right now. Why? We're in a severe we're in a tornado warning and a bunch of other warnings. Come on. Can I bring my Switch? You know what? How about y'all can bring your iPads? Because I don't think we really have any toys in there. Right, now we need to get to Mika, and then we'll head down to the basement. Wait, this house has a basement? Yes, that's why we moved here, because we're getting into the season where where there's like tornadoes and whatever, just really strong storms. Tamika, yeah? Come into the elevator now. We need to go down to the basement. Can I bring my phone? You know what? Sure. Right. Right. Alright. Oh, the Alexa's on in here. Alright, let's get in the couch. Close the door! Alright, let's turn on the news so that we can keep seeing what they're doing. What's happening? They're just repeating the same thing. Okay, yes. Can you put it on the fishy show? Okay. Oh, and we have water and food here, if y'all are hungry. Once again, guys, turn down your brightness all the way down for this part, because this part's, the part where the power goes out. Ah! What happened to the lights? I think there's a ghost. Calm down, kids. The power went out. At least the radio's battery powered. Let's turn that on. The tornado... a tornado is headed towards Toca County. Repeat, tornado towards Toca County. If you have not already done so, shelter into a basement or the room with the least amount of windows. Repeat, basement or room with the least amount of windows. Thank you. A tornado? Why is a tomato heading towards us? I really want to eat my broccoli now. Calm, Oliver. It's not it's a tornado, not a tomato. Let me go to my storm tracker. Oh my god, that is close. What? Look, we're in the purple. Oh, frick. Are we gonna die? No, we're not gonna die. I'm putting this on my TikTok. Guys, a tornado's coming towards us. Please, please like and subscribe and follow and whatever, because I'm gonna die. Tamika, you're scaring the littles. I'm sorry. Alright, well, let's just focus on making sure that we're all safe and whatever. I'm gonna make sure that Aunt Carol and whatever are safe. Hey sis, are you in the basement? No? Why? Girl, a tornado is headed towards us and it's freaking huge. Like, I mean, skyscraper tall and like, yeah. It's huge. You don't believe in the news? Well, Aunt Carol can die. And she probably is gonna die. Let me get on my Switch. What? No internet? Do not throw your Switch, young man. Go stand in a corner. You too, Missy. Okay. Oh dear, I think this is kind of a corner. Yes, that was another TBT reference. I haven't made one in a while, so yeah. Okay, I cannot. We are not dragging on the thingy for too long. Okay. What? Mine also has no internet? Y'all stop smashing your devices. Okay. Ah! I think we're being lifted up. Oh. Yeah, it's in us. We are in it.
I'm talking about in it.
Huh?
I'm talking about in it.
Okay. Boom. Okay, finally we are done. Well, wait, we couldn't have been lifted out because we're just weird. Let's just all go to sleep and forget that this ever happened. I call bed. You're so freaking stupid! I wish you'd die in this tornado. Alright, y'all can turn your brightnesses up again. The next day. Okay, I think the thing is done. Yeah, it's over.